right, so we're gonna talk about balances and how to measure mass. So this is a triple beam balance, and I have a guest student here today who is going to help us learn how to use this. But I wanna first show you what this looks like. So first here, we need to make sure that it's level and it is balanced at 0. So we always wanna make sure it's lined up. It's a little bit off, but that's okay. This is called a triple beam because triple means 3, and there are 3 beams, and they all have different measurements. This is the plate where you put your item to measure. So when that happens, the balance is now not balanced, so we need to work on balancing it. So we are going to be sliding these into these little notches and trying to figure out the mass. So that is what my guest is here for. Let me make sure I've set it back to 0. All right, Jakaden, would you like to go ahead and try to measure the eraser's mass? So I'm gonna stay distant from him while he tries, and he's paying attention to that 0. And then when he's done, I'll get a little closer. Let's see. All right, Jakaden, I'm gonna ask you to step back for just a minute so I can zoom in a little bit. Okay, so he has the back one on 20, the front one on 1, and we're balanced pretty much. So, Jakaden, how much mass does that eraser have?
21.
Very good. Do you want to go ahead and, actually, let's just do 1. Let's go over to the double pan. Okay, so let's talk about this double pan balance. So again, double because there's 2 little pans. We want it to level out like this. Right now it's balanced. We also look here to see if it's balanced. So Jakaden's gonna show us how to use this double pan balance. Go ahead, Jakaden. So you put the object you're trying to measure on one pan, and then on the other pan, we're using gram weights. These are each worth 1 gram. And while he does that, he's just gonna try to see if it starts to drop, and he's gonna keep going until he thinks it's balanced. All right, now it's doing something, so he's gonna get down a little bit to eye level. He's gonna look at the pans, and we're gonna try to see, and it usually moves for a little bit, so we just wait. And once he thinks it's balanced, he'll let us know. What do you think, buddy? Not yet? So then he's gonna add 1 more. And we're gonna again step back and wait. Okay, I agree. I think that that is balanced. Jakaden, I'm gonna ask you to step to the side for just a minute so that I can get a close-up of this. All right, so we are balanced for the most part, okay? It does still move usually for about 30 seconds, but I would say that's pretty good. So now Jakaden's gonna come back and he is going to count the number of gram weights.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
All right, so this wood cube weighs or has a mass of 6 grams. All right, wave, Jakaden, thank you. All right,